going to be doing a mini game really quick. But anyways, this is called Kitten Maker, and it's on dolldivine.com. And basically, you just like design a cat. So oh wow. I think I'm just gonna pick these ears and that mouth. I like that one. And I'm gonna pick that one. And that one. Okay, so we got the face.
I'm gonna go play that. Thank you.
The mouth. I'm gonna keep it like that. I want the gem on it. A little gymnast on the back, like that.
Doll Divine.
Like that. I like that too. Okay, what colors do I pick? Okay, what? There's black and white.
Hey guys, it's Kitten, and I'm on dolldivine.com. Thanks to Taylor, she just helped me find this. And now I get to show you what names are on
Pink, blue eyes. And I want to do black and white cat.
I'm creating a cub.
Okay.
Whoa, turn down.
And I'm gonna pick.
Okay. Yeah, this is.
And I'm gonna pick that design because I think it's cute. I'm gonna put whiskers. I don't want any of those. Oh, there's wings. I want the wings. Yes, we're gonna add the claws. We're gonna add the dim nose. We're gonna add that. No, I like those. I like those the most. Oh, I'm gonna add that too. Okay. Whoa, I like this one. Okay, so, okay everybody, I'm done with mine, and basically this is my angel cat, and she's in the heavens, I guess. But thank you for watching, and, comment, subscribe, and like, and mention me to your friends, please. I love you guys. Bye.